Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Madamdeon here. And if you love beauty, right? You love everything beauty, like from hair, makeup, whatever, all of that. You can find all things beauty here. No other way for me to put it. But today, I wanted to talk to you about the foundation that I'm wearing. And if you followed me for some time, you would know, you would know that I do lives. And I actually applied this foundation this morning, all right? And it's 7:41. So I applied this foundation like around maybe 11 o'clock. So it's been on for quite some time. I've been to work. I've done stuff around the house. And this is how it looks. And I wanted to talk to you about Madamdeon Cosmetics. I also want to let you know that my name has changed since then. This says Madam Cosmetics. But the brand name now is Madamdeon Cosmetics. I wanted to share with you guys this foundation, this soft matte foundation, and what this foundation does, it mimics the skin tone, right? So I have about 16 shades, right, that you could find your match. It goes from medium brown to light, really light. However, the darkest shade that I have is F44. So what this foundation does is it's a long wear liquid foundation for sensitive skin. It lasts 24 hours and it tells you everything there. If you look at that. Okay. So it says all free soft matte lasts 24 hours. So it's all free, meaning that it's not all base and it won't make you look shiny or anything. However, if you have oily skin, you can use this foundation. If you have dry skin, you can use this foundation. It's very versatile. The shade that I'm wearing is F38. And it has a bit of like gold in it. Gold with I'm gonna show you so I can break it down. So this is how it comes off. Like this. It has a bit of yellow undertone in there. And this is the way it looks. And if you were to blend it in with your hands, I'm not gonna do that because I just did my nails, okay? I just did it, okay? So I'm gonna just take the brush that I used this morning to apply my foundation, and I'm gonna show you how this product blends in. So it says soft matte. It's a full coverage foundation. You see how it covers the tattoos,